Samsung just dropped a bombshell alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. The Galaxy Z Trifold is coming. And the latest leaks show this device could completely change multitasking on a phone. So what makes it special? Instead of one hinge, the Z Trifold folds with two hinges and three panels, transforming from a compact phone into a massive tablet-like display. And that big screen isn't just for looks. The new One UI 8 animations reveal a crazy multitasking setup. You'll be able to run 3 apps side by side, or use one app on half the screen while 2 more stack on the other half. Even better, a single button instantly flips between layouts, making it one of the most productive foldables we've seen. And it's not stopping there. Leaked official animations confirm the Z Trifold supports wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC payments, features many feared might be cut to save space. Plus, thanks to its folding design, you can even use the rear cameras for selfies, giving you flagship-quality front shots without compromise. But here's the catch. Reports say Samsung may limit availability at launch, releasing in select regions only. And with an expected price tag of around $2,800, it'll likely target early adopters before expanding to more markets in the next generation. The big questions now: will the triple-hinge design hold up in real-world use? Can Samsung make it affordable for the mainstream? And how will rivals like Huawei and Motorola respond? One thing's for sure, the Galaxy Z Trifold isn't just another foldable. It's a bold step that could redefine smartphones and give us a glimpse of the future. So, what do you think? Is the Z Trifold the future of phones, or just an expensive experiment?